Learn synonyms for big with examples. Towering. In the distance loomed a towering mountain. Huge. This material is available in a huge range of colors. Large. This medicine is poisonous if taken in large quantities. Great. Death is the only pure, beautiful conclusion of a great passion. Gigantic. He has a gigantic appetite and eats gigantic meals. Immense. She gazed at the immense expanse of the sea. Colossal. The singer earns a colossal amount of money. Giant. There is concern that the giant panda will soon become extinct. Massive. There is a massive monument in the square. Tremendous. We went to a tremendous party. Enormous. He had enormous charm and a great sense of humor. Mammoth. Reforming the prison system would be a mammoth task. Hefty. The film also contains a hefty dose of comedy. Full. Dust bags act as a filter and suction will be reduced if they are too full. Vast. The dictionary is a vast treasure trove of information. Gargantuan. The gargantuan effort was conducted under almost unimaginable conditions of hardship and coercion. Elephantine. She was a silly girl, and far too easily impressed by Groot's elephantine attentions. Monumental. It's a truly monumental work, at an unbeatable price. Monstrous. It's monstrous to charge that much for a hotel room. Brobdingnagian. Meanwhile, the system itself had grown to Brobdingnagian proportions. Oversized. Many children are being taught in oversized classes. Extended. The pregnant woman in such a community has the support of all the womenfolk in her extended family. King size. My room's too narrow for a king-size bed. Bulky. Bulky clothes tend to hinder movement. Overlarge. The tramp clown is the one that usually appears in a circus with baggy trousers and overlarge shoes. Queen size. I have a queen-size bed in my room. Jumbo. Even eating a jumbo burrito he looked good. Hulking. When I woke up there was a hulking figure staring down at me. Voluminous. He took voluminous notes during the lecture. Wide. Wreckage from the plane was scattered over a wide area. Broad. He gave a broad hint that he was on the verge of leaving.